How to manage notifications on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications in Quora app easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to Quora. Now this is the feed, as you can see. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. After you click on your profile picture, now all what you have to do is go down and click on the settings. Now after you choose settings, choose email and notifications and click on it. It will take you to this page. Now choose push notifications option. Now here you will find many options. Choose the one that you want. For example, you can turn on or turn off new answers notifications, or there's many options here that you can turn on or turn off easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.